Today I'm reviewing the SmallRig V-Mount Battery VB155, a 155 dual-H V-Mount battery with 100 buoy output, USB-C, D-Tap, USB-A, dual DC ports, and an OLED screen. My name is Azlan and welcome to Guide Station. If you shoot videos using cameras, monitors, video lights, or other production gear, this is the type of battery that can really help power your setup for longer shoots. The first thing I like about this battery is that it is compact for a V-mount battery. It measures around 4.21 x 2.87 x 2.79 inches and weighs about 27 ounces, so it is still portable enough for camera rigs, travel shoots, interviews, weddings, events, and production work. For power, this has a 155 dual-H capacity and 10,500 mAh, which gives you a lot of extra runtime compared to smaller camera batteries. According to SmallRig, it can power a Canon R5C for around 11 hours, and it can also charge devices like a MacBook Pro, phone, tablet, monitor, or video light depending on your setup. One of the strongest features is the USB-C PD 100W fast charging. The USB-C port is bidirectional, so you can use it to charge the battery and also use it to power other devices. With a compatible 100W or higher GAN charger, this battery can fully charge in around 3 hours. It also has multiple ports, which makes it very versatile. You get USB-C, USB-A, D-Tap, DC8V, DC12V, and BP ports. This means you can power different equipment at the same time, like your camera, field monitor, wireless system, video light, phone, or even a laptop. Another feature I like is the OLED screen. It shows useful information like remaining battery life, voltage, power output, and port status. This is helpful because you don't have to guess how much power you still have left during a shoot. The controls are also simple. You can click to wake the screen, double-click to switch between voltage and power display, and long press to disable the USB-C, USB-A, and DC ports to stop discharging. For mounting, it has a V-mount plate design, and it also has one 4-inch and 3 8-inch threaded holes on the back plate. That gives you more mounting options if you want to attach it using a clamp, ball head, or camera rig setup. In real-world use, this is very useful for long video shoots. Instead of changing small camera batteries again and again, you can power your main gear from one larger battery. It also has safety protection built in, including protection against short circuit, over temperature, over voltage, over current, overcharge, and over discharge. That's important when you're powering expensive camera gear. One thing to keep in mind is that because this is a 155 WH battery, it cannot be taken on a plane. So if you need a battery specifically for air travel, you may need to check airline limits or choose a smaller option. If this looks like a good fit for your setup, you can grab it through the link in the description below. That's my review of the SmallRig V-Mount Battery VB155. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions about this battery.